Director General of NIDDA, Malam Kashifu Inuwa, emphasized that the partnership aligns with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. He reaffirmed Nigeria's commitment to investing in critical technologies such as artificial intelligence, drones, blockchain, and robotics. Inuwa says this collaboration will foster a robust innovation ecosystem, uniting universities, industry, and government to create jobs, drive policy, and solve local challenges. Before you continue, make sure to click the follow, like, and share button. Click it now. We bring you a triumphant story from the world of sports, where Nigeria's rising stars, the Flying Eagles, have once again proven that the future of Nigerian football burns bright. At the Suez Canal Authority Stadium in Ismailia, Egypt, it was a tense night of football as Nigeria's U20 national team faced off against defending champion Senegal in the quarterfinal of the 2025 U20 Africa Cup of Nations. After a fiercely contested 90 minutes and an additional 30 minutes of extra time, both teams remained locked in a goalless draw. But what followed was nothing short of drama, skill, and nerves of steel, a penalty shootout that had fans across Nigeria holding their breath. And then came the hero of the night, 15-year-old goalkeeper Ebenezer Harcourt, whose fearless saves turned the tide. Harcourt denied 2 Senegalese spot kicks, while another shot struck the woodwork. The Flying Eagles, composed and determined, slotted in their penalties through Precious Benjamin, Emmanuel Chukwu, and Israel Ayuma, securing a 3-1 win and booking their place at the FIFA U20 World Cup in Chile. This victory marks not just progress in the tournament, but redemption. It was Senegal who eliminated Nigeria in the 2023 edition. This time, however, the boys in green flipped the narrative and rose above the challenge. With this win, Nigeria becomes the first team to reach the semi-finals of the 2025 AFCON tournament. They await the winner between South Africa and DR Congo as the battle for continental glory continues. The ultimate goal? A record-extending 8th U20 AFCON. We focus on the trophy. The nation is proud and the expectation is high. He emphasized the role of youth development in shaping Nigeria's football legacy and urged the team to remain disciplined and focused in the games ahead. From the drama on the pitch to the hope it brings to millions of fans, the Flying Eagles are writing a new chapter in Nigeria's football history. Before you continue, make sure to click the follow, like, and share button. Click it now. In a bold step towards strengthening the aviation sector, Nigeria is now opening up access to overseas aviation insurance, a move expected to ease operations and build investor confidence. The development, confirmed by the Ministry of Aviation, reveals that the National Insurance Commission in healthcare reform. At the launch of the 2025 Omituntun Free Medical Mission, held at the Ibadan Northeast Local Government Secretariat, Governor Makinde declared his readiness to share Oyo State's successful healthcare blueprint with the federal government. This comes as the FG plans to establish 8,800 primary healthcare centers across the country. According to the governor, Oyo State already has functional category 3 primary healthcare centers in nearly all of its 351 electoral wards, bringing medical services closer to grassroots communities. Makinde emphasized the critical link between health, economic growth, and poverty reduction. He said, quote, "Our model works and we are happy to share it." Oyo's Commissioner for Health, Dr. Oluwaserimi Ajetunmobi, highlighted the comprehensive nature of the medical outreach, which includes post-operative follow-ups and enrollment into health insurance schemes to ensure continuity of care. Dr. Akin Fagbemi, chairman of the State Hospital Management Board, noted that the recent recruitment of medical personnel has restored full physiotherapy accreditation in the state after over 30 years, a landmark achievement in the sector. The event was graced by top government functionaries, including Deputy Governor Bayo Lawal, lawmakers, and judicial officers, underlining the administration's collective commitment to health reform. Meanwhile, in Borno State, Governor Babagana Zulum has condemned the latest series of attacks by Boko Haram and ISWAP insurgents across several communities, including Chibok, Gwoza, Marte, and along the Maiduguri-Damboa Road. In a statement issued by his spokesperson, Zulum expressed deep sorrow over the loss of lives, including military personnel, civilians, and education staff. 2 staff of the Damboa Local Education Authority killed in an IED blast while on their way to sit for the Teachers Registration Council examination were among the victims. The governor reaffirmed his administration's unwavering support for the military and other security agencies, vowing to intensify collaboration to bring lasting peace to the region. Zulum, who recently visited Gwoza and met with military officials and community leaders, called on citizens to remain resilient, saying, and I quote, "This is a partial eclipse, and we shall overcome it, insha'Allah."